For those who seek more than a casino, than a white sand beach, more than a nightclub, more. For those seeking an adventure, something extraordinary, relaxation and wellness, natural wonders aplenty intertwined with unsurpassed beauty. That perfect formula does exist. Imagine a place enriched with a vibrant culture that has been thriving for centuries. A place where the food is exquisite, the music exhilarating. A place where magic is a drum beat away, unspoilt, serene. A place that never falls short of a celebration. And the people, well, they're simply amazing. For those seeking an experience that's complete,